Air conditioning freezing up during operation is super frustrating, but it usually means something's off with your system and you gotta fix it quick before it gets worse. Alright, so first up, check your coils. Dirty coils are like the #1 reason your air conditioner freezes. You want to clean those bad boys with a soft brush or a coil cleaner if you can get your hands on it. Next, look at the refrigerant level. If it's low, your AC won't cool right and might freeze up. Don't try to top up refrigerant yourself unless you're trained. That stuff's tricky and needs a pro. Also, make sure your air filter isn't clogged, because poor airflow makes the evaporator coil too cold and causes ice buildup. Keep your vents open and unblocked too, so air flows freely through the system. Another tip, running your AC on really low fan settings can sometimes make freezing worse, so keep the fan at medium or high. If you notice the unit freezing up after a long run, give it a break for a few minutes before turning it back on. Finally, scheduling regular maintenance with an HVAC technician can save you from headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their air conditioner freezes up is ignoring dirty coils. Cleaning them regularly can stop ice buildup before it starts. Another common issue is low refrigerant levels, which usually means a leak that needs fixing by a professional. Topping off without repair just delays the problem. Third, lots of folks forget about airflow problems. Blocked vents or dirty filters reduce air movement and cause freezing, so swapping filters every 1 to 3 months helps big time. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making sure your home repairs get done right. It also helps contractors find new jobs easily, connecting the pros with people who need their skills fast and hassle-free.